Imagine as a small business owner, you make sales every day, right? But yet you still don't have savings. As a business owner, you're very sure that you always make sales, right? But at the end of everything, you don't see the money from the sales you made. You don't seem to understand how your money goes. You're always calculating and calculating, but you can't seem to figure out how the money you're making from your business, the sales you're making from your business, you can't seem to understand how you spend it. I can tell you for sure as a business owner that this is a very big problem. This happens when you don't properly keep track of your business income and expenses, okay, as a small business owner, right? So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you'll be able to track your income and expenses as a small business owner to maximize your profit and to grow your business to a higher level. As a small business owner, I believe that the dream, the goal is to grow higher in business, right? But when you don't know how your income and expenses are being carried out, how you go about these things, it's a very big problem because it's going to slow the growth of your business down. Okay, so if you actually a small business owner and you have experienced this kind of thing, or you wouldn't even want to experience it, or you want to know properly about tracking your income and expenses as a small business owner, then stick around and watch this video to the end. Okay, if you're a new viewer, you're welcome. I talk about mini importation business, making money, and managing your business and finance. So if this sounds like something you're really interested in, then join the family, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also don't forget to give this video a like. All right, so I'm going to share with you the tricks, the materials, the resources, everything you will need as a small business owner to be able to properly track your income and expenses. It is very important you learn this and you follow the procedures and you put in practice everything I'm going to share with you in this video. When we talk about income as a small business owner, your income are the sales, the commissions, and the side earnings that you make from your business. All of them are your business income. Whether it is commission, whether it is sales, whether it's profit, all these are your income as a small business owner. So when it comes to tracking your income expenses as a small business owner, here are the best methods. The first one is making use of a notebook. Okay, as a small business owner, you should have a notebook. This notebook is where you will note down all your sales. It doesn't matter how little that sale you make is. It doesn't matter how little the sales you make is. Okay, even if you sell the smallest of the product in your store, you have to note it down. You note down the sales, you note down the price of the item, you note down the date that you sold the item. Every day you take note of your sales. Whatever you sell in a day, you note it down. Okay, this is the first method, having a notebook for your business. Okay, you can decide to have a physical notebook, paper book, or you can decide to make use of the notebook, the notes on your mobile device or your laptop, but ensure that you write down what you sell, the type of product, and the date that you sell it and the amount you sell it. Okay, every day. I will still explain further how you make use of these notes you're writing down. Okay, the second method is making use of Google Spreadsheet. Google Spreadsheet is free to use. Okay, and on Google Spreadsheet you can note down your sales. You can arrange it in rows and columns where you will be able to put down dates, where you'll be able to put down the prices and the products. It's very easy to use and it's free to use. So if you don't want to be going through the stress of writing down manually, then you can make use of Google Spreadsheet. Okay, then the third method that you can use to track down your income as a small business owner is making use of some mobile apps. There are different mobile apps that you can use to track your income as a small business owner. Okay, I love the idea of making use of mobile apps because it is already designed in a way that all you just have to do is to enter the product, enter the date Just type in the date, type in amount, how much you sold the product or the item. Everything has been well arranged on this app. So some of the examples of these apps that you can use, and you can download these apps on Google, on Play Store, and you can download these apps on Apple Store. Some of the examples of these apps are Wave, QuickBooks, and other numerous apps that you can use. Okay, so the fourth method, another method is making use of your bank statement. If you receive transfers for your business, if you mostly receive transfers for your business, then at the end of the day or at the end of the week, then you'll be able to track your bank statements. Go through your bank statements either weekly or monthly. This will help you to note down how much. This will happen when you have a specific bank account for your business. Okay, this is going to help you to track how much money or how much income that was coming in. Okay, and please note, consistency matters a lot when it comes to tracking your income as a small business owner using these methods I've listed. All right, trust me, when you keep doing this every day, daily, weekly, monthly, you'll be able to have a clear picture. You'll be able to have a very good idea of how much your business is making, your business is generating weekly, daily, monthly, or even yearly. Okay, now that you have a very good idea of how you'll be able to track your income, let's talk about how you'll be able to track your expenses. Because as a small business owner, if you don't track your expenses, if you don't have a very good idea of your expenses, how much you're spending as a business owner, you'll be killing the profit of your business. Now, let me tell you this: as a small business owner, there are different types of expenses. Okay, business expenses when it comes to running a business are of three types. We have a fixed expenses. For example, examples of these fixed expenses are like your salary, like salaries that you pay your workers or even you pay yourself, because as a business owner you should be paying yourself salary. Okay, you don't just spend from your business income, right? Then house rent, shop rent, or subscription like internet subscription, software subscription. If you're running an online business, have an e-commerce store, subscription for the e-commerce apps that you use, these are fixed expenses. Then we have variable expenses, the amount to spend in running your day-to-day business activities. Then we have the unexpected expenses, like something came up, you need to repair something, you need to quickly fix something about your business. So these are the three major categories of expenses when it comes to running a business. Okay, so how do you track these expenses as a small business owner? To effectively track your expenses as a small business owner, you need to use the same method we explained in tracking your income, which are noting them down on a notebook, using Google Spreadsheet, using some mobile apps, making use of your bank statements. Okay, trust me, as a small business owner, if you've not been doing this, or if you're procrastinating, you've not been consistent in doing this, trust me, if you start being consistent or you start doing this, you are definitely going to see changes in your business. You're going to see growth. You're going to see how you're going to shape your mindset properly into growing your business as a small business owner. In the process of tracking down your income and expenses as a small business owner, here are common mistakes that you should avoid during this process. The first one is don't ever skip tracking those small expenses and incomes. Okay, because they really matter a lot. All right, the next mistake that you should avoid is not separating your business money from your personal money. Okay, as a small business owner, you should know this before now. Don't join your personal money with your business money, and don't spend from the both of them. Okay, properly, you should be able to have a separate account for your business and a separate account for your personal use, so that you'll be able to know that whatever money that goes into this account is solely for your business. Whatever money that goes into the other account is for your personal use. Don't mix them together. So if you don't have a personal account separate for your business, start from there. Create one. There are so many mobile banking apps that will easily help you in doing this. You can create accounts with them. All right, with all these mobile banking apps, there's so many of them that you can easily create accounts with for your business. So make use of these mobile banking apps for your business. Okay, you must not go to big financial banks. Okay, you can start with some of these mobile banking apps that creating accounts with them is very easy to set up. Okay, then finally, another thing you need to know is that you need to be very, very consistent. You need to be consistent in doing this. Let me tell you the fact: a growing business is a business that is able to track their financial records. Okay, and a struggling business is a business that can't differentiate that between the income and expenses, that doesn't track the income and expenses. It's a struggling business. And as a small business owner, I know that you really, really want to have a growing business, right? So learn from this video, start tracking your income and expenses, okay, for the growth and success of your business. All right, I hope you gained value from this video. Please don't forget to give this video a like and also leave a comment if you have questions in the comment section. All right, thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.